G'day! I don't think I've had a printer in recent times that has annoyed me as much as this Epson right here. Why is that? It was brought in for a simple thing. It had a paper jam, and with that paper jam they pulled the paper out and it now prints like this. So, cool. I'll just run it for a print head clean. There is no print head clean button or any form of maintenance on here. So from there, I've had to connect it to a computer, which was this one right here. Except the dilemma that I've had, if I go to printers, here, and go into here, there's no form of maintenance. There's no option to run a head clean. I can print a test page, which it did, which was flawless. If I go into printer properties, I can run a test print. I've got no maintenance tab. And all these other little options here. None of them that I came across that actually mentioned anything about cleaning. Ooh, driver settings. Nope, still nothing there. Security. So whatever, I'll install the Epson printer software. And while doing that, I had to turn on and allow regional and location settings. So begrudgingly I enabled that, and then it continued, and now it's asking to do a firmware update, which I don't want to do, because what advantage of updating this firmware will it give me? It's going to hold everything in the favour of Epson. So no, I'm going to go skip, and hopefully from here it will install. No, I don't want to register. I just want to run a head clean. Okay, whatever. What else we got going on here? So if I go here to the Epson printer connection checker, which I don't want, I just want to do a head clean. Cool, thanks. That's nice. And I still don't have an option of a head clean. What is this piece of junk? A very expensive piece of junk. Nope, nope. Settings. Device printer folder. Yeah. Printer properties. I still don't have what I need. If I go here, I'm curious if I look at this network Brother printer, with preferences, it always confuses me. Properties. No. No. Advanced device. Okay, maybe it doesn't actually give me that either. I may have been too harsh with it. Where the hell is the head clean? Where are you, Epson? What a joke. So it does apparently seem to be able to do it without needing to be connected. It's pretty janky. Apparently switch it off, hold these two, and then you release the power. What are you doing, printer? I hope you're doing a head clean. And because I'm lazy, and, oh, no, we're off. 1, 2. Press hold. Waiting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12. Don't know what we're going to do. Just we'll wait and see. Are you thinking about it? The drawing paper? No, we're not doing it. Apparently if I hold 1 and 2, and then keep holding this one for 5 seconds, it does a head clean. Wouldn't it be great if there was just a button that said head clean? Still nothing. Nope. Oh, maybe. Ah, we're out of paper. That will make it difficult. Because I've ate all the paper, doing nothing. Come on. Now again with paper. Gonna do it. Foul beast. Oh, we're drawing paper. We're about to draw paper. Oh, look at that. Are we actually doing anything? I don't believe so. Look at that. Wow. And is it going to be any better? Probably not. Because it's a piece of crap. You're a piece of crap. E-waste.